Cheese slime? Are we gonna do good? It's supposed to be easy, right? Excuse TaylorBlair's pajamas, but this is just one of those days where we're not getting dressed. Lazy days today. Right, Taylor? You ready to get started?
Yes.
All right. Welcome to the TaylorBlair experience. As you all know, this is TaylorBlair. Talking is mommy. You don't see my face because we have our 500K challenge. Join our challenge. We believe in ourselves. Help us see mommy's face after we reach 500K views. Enjoy our edible slime. Because he was so disappointed with yesterday's outcome. Stop, Taylor. Anyway, what do we need for this slime? Cornstarch or cornmeal, mozzarella cheese, of course our bowl, our slime bowl, and a tiny bit of water. So they say this slime, I know, they say this slime is super easy. Look at Daddy's face. He is such a pessimistic person when it comes to the slime. So let's get started.
Come on.
Taylor, yeah, we're going to do this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy.
Open it.
Okay, Daddy. And we have Turi's story.
Apple.
Fill the bowl up. Turi wants to get in on the slime making action. Now, as we not yet. As we always mess up, a little tiny bit of water. To sit it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Okay, we are back. We let the cheese melt in the microwave for a while. And now this is the fun part where we begin to stir. Daddy might want to hold that. If you want, you could add the corn, like start putting a tiny bit of cornstarch in it. Just a tiny bit, Taylor.
Apple.
It's a little bit more. That's enough.
Now mix it in. Do you want to add color to it?
Yes.
What color?
Definitely.
Pink?
Pink!
Like she haven't eaten breakfast today, or dinner, or lunch. Okay, that's enough. Now let Daddy play with the slime. No, you're supposed to. Is it still hot?
I put my hand in there.
Yeah, still a little more. Okay. After Daddy done put some elbow grease in it with his mixing. TaylorBlair wants to take over and do a little bit of mixing.
There's a hole in it.
Put it on your hands and knead it. Start rubbing it together with your hands.
Why?
Because that's what you have to do. Yes. We all know Taylor don't like touching. But she's actually touching it. There we go. This is the best one we did so far. You want to put it on some wax paper so you can eat it up? Okay, Daddy just put it on some wax paper. Taylor is eating her grapes, being a spectator. But this is the best slime, baby, because the recipe was so easy. You like the slime, Taylor? You see how it looks? Did we do good? Did we do good? No? Oh, okay, girlfriend. Is it slime, Taylor?
I don't know.
Stretch it out. Let's see if we can stretch it and everything. If it moves like slime. So this has been the best slime that we have done so far. Right, TaylorBlair? She don't want to touch it with her hands, but she definitely wants to play with it via wax paper.
I just want to do it.
You just want to do that. So I think this slime is actually, I touched it and it's a little bit like greasy, but so far it's the best that we've done. So I would think this is a success. Is this a success, Daddy?
I guess so.
Taylor, is this a success? You guess so? Hold it up. Open, take it off the wax paper and show the kids.
Mom.
Take it out the wax paper. You don't want to touch it. Or with the wax paper.
Taylor does not like putting anything on.
Hold it with the wax paper.
They can't see that. Well, she's rolling it. I guess she's gonna play with her slime via wax paper. Mess. See the mess.
Don't forget to hit the bell, like, and subscribe. Hurry up and help us reach 500,000 views so we can see Mommy face. See you soon.
Come back soon, kids.